It's been a real pleasure to be here for the last couple of days, and it has exceeded my expectations. Particularly enjoyed the session this morning from the Leadership Journey.
I think it's time to start challenging what we see as leadership and what our vision for leadership is. People from all different backgrounds. All of us are different as humans, and I think it's important for management and for leaders to acknowledge those differences and make sure that people from all those different backgrounds can thrive.
Being an engineer and being an engineer in Australia, a country that really respects STEM, is just really exciting and fulfilling, and I'm glad to be a part of it.
Engineering is where it's at. Because of the work that they do, they actually have the opportunity to make a positive impact on billions of people. Who would not want to be an engineer? It's just an extraordinary opportunity.